Welcome back to another Dessert King video.
Today we're going to be making a cookie cake, and this was one of our recommendations. And if you have a recommendation for us, in the description there's going to be an email, and email what you think we should make next. So today you're going to need 2 sticks of butter, flour, brown sugar, 2 eggs, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, an electric mixer, and let's start making it. Okay, so first you're gonna need the electric mixer. You're gonna put 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half a teaspoon salt. Put this in a smaller bowl. You're gonna beat the butter, and then add sugar, which is gonna be 3/4 of a cup, and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. There's a lot of sugar. All right, so once you have that, blend it until completely combined. So once that's ready, then you're gonna put the dry ingredients in that you had from earlier and combine that. All right, and then after that, then you're gonna have 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla. All right, and then once it starts to look like cookie dough, then you're gonna add chocolate chips, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Put it up and combine that. Okay, and there's your batter. Okay, so once you can use like a pizza stone, or I'm using this aluminum pizza thing. No cooking spray. Do not use any. So, scrape it all off. Try to get as much as you can into the bowl. Oh, shoot. Take it out of the machine. I'm gonna take it and spread it out. Okay, so once you have it out on the sheet, then you're gonna spread it around and make sure that it's even. Okay, so you're gonna preheat the oven to 375 and wait for it to heat up, and then just put it in the oven.
How long did it cook for?
11 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna put it in now. So once it's preheated, slide it in and wait